Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lovett and I am a computer engineer who just loves to do her hair. However, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my nails at home for $1. So starting off strong, this is what my nails look like. I have like these short nails that I don't like for nothing because I feel like they're so short. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and clean every form of debris or oil residue from my nails. And to do that, I'm going to be using this nail cleaner from Ambire. I've used this over the years. It has never failed me. This is just like acetone, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and use that and clean my nails properly, like thoroughly. You want your nails to be dry. Once I'm done cleaning my nails, I'm going to go ahead and use this cuticle trimmer to get rid of my cuticles. I also use them to clean like the inside of my nails, as you guys are going to see. This is so easy. Like, I don't have 1,000,001 complex nail tools. When it comes to doing my nails, my theory is simple: minimal products, amazing results, okay? So as you guys can see, I went ahead with my cuticle remover to get rid of my cuticles, and this was so easy. It was also easy because prior to this, off camera, I had moisturized my hands. So make sure your hands are kind of like moisturized, okay? So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and push back my cuticles. So as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead with this cuticle stick to just kind of like open up my cuticle beds a little bit and also push them back. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and file my nails, okay? And the reason why you want to file your nails is because you want to make the surface of your nails a little bit rough, just so that the nail and the nail glue can have a better grip, if that makes any sense, okay? So when it comes to nails, I have like different types of press-on nails. I have this one that comes with about 300 nails in a pack, and with this one you have the liberty of using any nail polish you want, like just going in with any color that suits your vibe as at that time. However, I'm not going to do that one today because, to be honest, I just wanted to get my nails done without going through the stress of painting. So the nails that I'm going to use today are press-on nails that I buy for about $1 from my local beauty supply store. They are so affordable and they have saved me a ton of money and time over the years, okay? And I also tend to go towards, like, lean towards the more like natural looking, very minimum nails because I feel like less is more, if that makes any sense. So these are the nails that I'll be going with for this tutorial. I'm going to be using this one that has like the French design, just like plain nude, like a nude nail color and white tips, okay? So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and measure my nails. Please make sure you go ahead and measure each nail and lay them out, and I promise you it will make your life so much easier. So to glue down my nails, there are a ton of options. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and use this particular brand of super glue. It's called Alteco, and I have used this for more than 6 years. It has never failed me. With this particular nail glue and my nail prep routine, my nails usually stay put for about 3 weeks to a month, and I kid you not. So now it's time to glue my nails, and I'm just going to go ahead and put about a drop or 2 drops of the glue on my natural nail, as well as 2 drops of the glue, like the super glue, on my artificial nails, and just press it down for some time. Also, when placing your nails, please make sure you push them a little bit inside. Like when you push back your cuticles or when you open up your cuticles, it gives you enough room to glue the nails to the point where it looks very natural. So your nails are not just sitting down on top of your cuticles, they are actually lying down at the cuticle bed, if that makes any sense. Because for this particular nail, I didn't put enough glue and I could actually see that I had some bubbles in there. So you want to make sure that you're using enough glue, if that makes any sense. Alright, the nails usually have like a number at the tip of the nail. Like if you look closely, you see that there's a number, like the nails are numbered from 0 to 10 or thereabouts. 0 to 9, not 10. Okay, so I have done my nails by myself for so long that I literally know the numbering for each nail, like my natural nails. Okay, all right. So once again, I'm just going to go ahead and apply like a drop of glue to my actual nail, like my natural nail, and then about 2 drops to the artificial nail, and yeah, and press it down. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for the rest of my nails, and I'll be right back. Doing this has saved me so much time, so much money. There are times where I actually have somewhere to go to, like maybe something that came up like last minute and I don't have the time to start booking a nail appointment. I'll just rush to where I keep my nail stuff, and I kid you not, in less than 10 minutes my nails are done. Okay, so at this point I'm just going to go ahead and use my nail buffer to trim the tip of the nails, because the thing is, sometimes the tip of these nails usually feel a little bit rough. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and just file that down, just to make that a little bit smoother. Okay, and that's it. Once you're done doing your nails, the next thing you want to use is a cuticle oil. Okay, so I didn't have anyone at home. I actually ordered for this one, which hadn't come as at the time I was filming this tutorial. So I went ahead and I used this Radha organic 100% rosehip oil for my cuticles and my hands, and guys, I kid you not, these nails were beautiful. If you want to be a little bit extra, you can actually glue on some nail pieces like nail art, but as someone who is very busy, this works. Okay, I'm not complaining. Okay, so this wasn't like a pamper routine or anything. This was just me showing you guys how I do my nails whenever I have less than 10 minutes and I need to get my nails together and I need to like run out of the door. Okay, this is what I do, and it's been working for me. I discovered that these nails on Amazon are a little bit more pricey than the prices of these nails on AliExpress. So if you can buy from AliExpress, why not? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to these nails. If this is not your style, you can actually use my technique and do something more elegant and more sassy. Just do anything that works with your vibe. Okay, so I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. This is just a simple nail DIY that I've been doing for years, and I felt like, why not share this with you guys? So with that being said, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.